Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zari. Adhyay 25, OV 56. भक्ती करावे मनोरथ, तेन जाणती खरा स्वार्थ. गुरु एक जाणे शिष्याचे हित, भावीभूत वर्तमान. Devotees have desires without realizing their true welfare. Only the Guru knows what is in the devotee's interest, knowing the past, present, and the future. निजमनीचे मनोगत, कोणी कितीही ठेवो गुप्त. साई समर्थ सर्वगत, अंतर्वृत्त जाणे तो. However much anyone kept his thought hidden, Sai Samartha dwells within the hearts of everyone as the witness, and he knows the innermost thoughts. जेव्हा कोणी मनीचे हृद्गत, साई चरणी प्रेमे निवेदित. पूर्ण विश्वासे अनुज्ञा प्रार्थित, दावित सत्पथ साई त्या. When anyone lovingly related his intentions and placed them at Sai's feet and asked for permission with full faith, Sai showed the right path. हे तो तयाचे निजव्रत, जाणती हे भक्त समस्त. जो जो अनन्य शरणागत, आपदा वारित तयांच्या. This was his vow, and all his devotees knew it. He removed the obstacles of all who had completely surrendered. गुरुची सत्य माता पिता, अनेका जन्मीचा पातात राता. तोची हरिहर आणि विधाता, करता करविता तो एक. The Guru is the real mother and father. Since numerous births, he is the guardian and protector. He is Brahma, Vishnu, and Shankar, the doer and the one who gets everything done. बाळ मागता गोड धडू, माता पाजी बोळ कडू. बाळ तडफडू वारडू, प्रेम निवाडू हा ऐसा. A child wants sweets, but the mother gives bitter medicine, whether the child cries or writes. This is her loving decision. बोळाचा तो कडूपणा, योग्य काळे चढणार गुणा. बाळ काय जाणे त्या लक्षणा, मातेच्या खुणा मातेस. How can the child know the properties of that bitter medicine, and how it will be beneficial at the proper time? Only the mother knows the indications. अण्णा जरी ठेविती पाती, बाबा काय तेणे भुलती. लाभे वीण तयांची प्रीती, निज भक्त हिती तत्पर. Even if Anna kept a share, was Baba likely to forget himself? His love was not motivated by gain. He was ever ready to look after the welfare of his devotees. धन कनक जया माती, किंपदार्थ तयाते पाती. केवळ दीनजनोद्धरणार्थी, जगी अवतरती हे संत. Money and gold were like dust to him. So what was the value of the share for him? These saints manifest in the world only to uplift suffering humanity. यम नियम शमदम संपन्न, माया मात्सर्य दोषविहीन. केवळ पुरानुग्रह प्रयोजन, जयाचे जीवन तो संत. He is a saint who has control over his senses and is free from the vices of ignorance and envy, and whose aim is to bestow favors on others. दामुअण्णांची ही पाती, मनीचे मनी गुप्त होती. बाबा प्रकट उत्तर देती, सादर वृत्ती परिसावे. Though Damu Anna's idea of giving a share was not expressed and was hidden, Baba gave an open reply. Listen to it with respectful attention.